Hi all, welcome to MISY 5350, the graduate course on ERP Electronic Commerce for Summer 1 2012. I'm Dr. Kakuli Bandopadhyay and you can call me Dr. B. Since I have a long last name, I go by Dr. B. My office is in 237 GB. I've given you my office phone number. My email is the regular Lamar email. And also for communication for this course, I would ask you to use the Blackboard email, okay? Do not use my Lamar email for course related inquiries. My office hours will be Monday through Thursday, 12 noon to 1 p.m. During this time, I will be available online and I've given you the link in the syllabus. You click on that link and you can join me online for chatting or for your course related inquiries for any problems that you may be having. If you're not being able to understand any concept, I can talk about that also. So for anything related to the course, you can chat online with me during my office hours. Any other times, you can make an appointment and you can meet me face to face, or you can call me, you can email me, get in touch with me. Let me talk to you about this course. Let's go over the objective. Objective is that organizations, they find the need to develop custom front-end web-based applications to add functionality to and make their ERP systems more user-friendly. And this course will provide students with the conceptual foundation as well as hands-on experience at developing these web-based applications. It will teach you SAP NetWeaver Enterprise Portal and SAP NetWeaver Visual Composer. With SAP NetWeaver Enterprise Portal, you can quickly and effectively integrate SAP solutions, third-party applications, legacy systems, databases, unstructured documents, internal and external web content and collaboration tools. SAP NetWeaver Visual Composer is a powerful design tool that facilitates the creation of portal content using a graphical user interface rather than manually writing code. It provides sophisticated yet simple to use tools for creating portal iViews that process data from backend systems such as SAP R3 and SAP BW, which is Business Information Warehouse, as well as external sources such as relational databases and web services. Okay, and what would be the learning outcomes? Learning outcomes means after you finish this course, you should be familiar with the concepts of electronic commerce. You should be knowledgeable about the technology infrastructure of electronic commerce. You should be knowledgeable about the business strategies for electronic commerce. You should be knowledgeable about the technologies such as web server, hardware and software, electronic commerce software, security and payment systems for electronic commerce, and also you would develop skills in SAP NetWeaver Enterprise Portals and SAP NetWeaver Visual Composer. Now, ADA compliance, you can read it, drop and withdraw date. Even if you are failing the course, you will get a Q if you drop it by June 18, and with penalty, the drop date is June 28. Teaching materials, the required text is Introduction to Electronic Commerce by Tarban, King and Lang, and it's Apprentice Hall 2011 book. We will be using Blackboard and Adobe Acrobat Connect Pro for online meetings, and Blackboard for materials for your assignments, for everything else. Recommended software is SAP NetWeaver 7.0, and we will be using NetWeaver and Visual Composer, and I will talk to you later on about how you would be able to access this SAP software. Okay. Course requirement, there will be 2 exams. Both exams will be taken through Blackboard. They are closed book, closed note exams, and makeup exams will be given only under extreme circumstances with verifiable written excuse. Okay. Late assignments are not accepted. All assignments will be located in Blackboard and you have to turn in the assignments using Blackboard. This is our grading scheme for the semester. Exam 1 25 points, Exam 2 25 points, SAP assignments 190 points and other assignments 60 points. So total is 300 points. If you make 270 and above, which is 90% and above, you make an A. If you make 80% and above, that's a B. 70% and above is C. And 60%, that means 180 and above, is D. Below 180 is F. Since this is an online class, you either need to have a computer of your own or you need to be able to access materials from any of the college labs. Okay, you get some help computer related from Center of Distance Education. I have given you the number. Online course support for Blackboard can be accessed all the time, and if there is any issue you can call the CD number. SAP help, you can get SAP help from me, and you can also get SAP help from Miss Liz Simmons. She is our SAP coordinator. I have given you her office hours, her office number, her phone number. You can either ask me or Liz anything about SAP related problems. Okay, academic honesty. This is an online course. Please make sure that you are not submitting somebody else's file. You do your own work. You can ask people, you can discuss, but you have to submit your own work. You have to do your own work. And cheating, if your cheating is caught, that means that if you have submitted somebody else's file, then you will be given a 0 for that assignment for the first time. For the second offense, I'll drop you from the class, okay, and give you an F. So be careful and do not submit somebody else's work. It would be your responsibility to drop this class if you choose not to continue. It is expected that this is summer, so every day there is something, so it is expected that you would read your emails every day, you would submit your work when it is due, and you will basically be with the class. This is my course schedule. Even though I say tentative, it is basically it. You can see that our assignments would be, June 6, which is Wednesday. You work on assignment 1, you submit it on June 7. And this would go on throughout the semester. You work on assignment 1 day and you submit it the following day. Okay, then your first exam will be June 15 to 17. And the chapters would be 1 to 5 and 6. I have prepared a study guide for every chapter. I will review for your exam. Okay, and so for every chapter, I have posted the chapter slides. I have given you the study guide. You have to prepare, from the study guide, you have to study those items from the book and from the slides. And then there would be an exam after you are done with chapter 1 to 5 and 6. Okay, and then from June 19 we would start our SAP assignments, and one assignment will be due every day, and then basically there are 12 SAP assignments and there are 7, I believe, non-SAP assignments. Okay, so this is the syllabus. Now I would walk you over the Blackboard. In the Blackboard, within 5350, you will see your syllabus is posted here. Okay, then the chapter slides are posted here. Chapter study guides are posted here. Assignments, you submit the assignments from this. So this is your assignment 1. You click on assignment 1 and you see what is due. You have to submit a Word document via the Blackboard, and this assignment 1 is on a case from your book, which is in page 37 of the book. So if you click on assignment 1, you will see what is assignment 1. You will see this is, these are the questions you need to answer, and you submit the Word document. And how would you submit it? If you go here, assignment 1, you click on that, you can see that here you can attach the file. So you attach your assignment file and then you submit from here. Okay, so this is how you submit your assignments throughout the semester, and I'm still working on your SAP assignments. Once I am done, I'll post them. I will also post videos for your assignment walkthroughs, and SAP slides are listed here. Okay, if you click on the enterprise portal slides, they are here. Go back, click on the visual composer slides, they are here. SAP access, I will give you SAP access. So for your SAP logon, you have to click on here. It's not yet ready. Once I'm ready, I'll post it here. You have the email here. So you know, this is how we get started. I hope we will have a productive semester. It would be busy, very busy actually, but you make sure that you submit your assignments on time. You can submit it before time, but I will not accept late assignments. Please, for any problem related to the course, be in touch with me and make sure that you have the answer. Do not, basically what I'm trying to say is, feel free to get in touch with me for any course related problems, and make sure that you are submitting your assignments on time, you are taking your exam on time, and you are doing your SAP assignments on time, because the time will pass very fast and I would not accept any late assignments. So make sure that you ask before time. Okay, and that is it for now. And once again, go over the material, go over the Blackboard items, and ask me questions if you have any. And every day I will be available, actually Monday through Thursday from 12 to 1 online. If you cannot make it, that's fine, you can just email me and I will reply to your email. Okay, hope we will learn a lot from this class about e-commerce and about front-end applications, which will help us to tie the back-end database. Okay, thank you.